Today I'm going to review Fmount Pro smartphone video grip. We will first unbox it and we'll see what is inside. Okay. It has a leveler here and you can see the bubble. This one will help you to adjust the level of your smartphone. Okay, this one, there is one screw on the top which you can lose it to open it up, and then it will hold the smartphone. Then there is one screw on the top, so if you want to attach other accessories, and you can attach other accessories here also. And there is one more screw at the bottom to attach this one on the tripod or even on the selfie stick. I have with me a selfie stick with the remote. Then this one's come with that, so you can hold it like this, and even you can remove it. Okay, you can just now plug like this also, or even if you want to use this extension, you can use this one also. So it's nice little handy thing which you should buy, because usually when you will buy the selfie stick or tripod, they will give you amount like this, which is, it's very irritating, and even it can damage your phone. So this thing you have to buy separate, and it's very handy. Okay, now we'll see. We'll attach this one to our selfie stick. Okay, that's cool now. So we can easily mount our phone on this Fmount. So this one you should buy for if you are into vlogging or you love to make videos. So this will be very useful accessory for you. That's it from this video. Now click the like button and press the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will receive my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching Tech Person.